BNB is soaring, and we even have CZ saying that the meme season is popping off right now as we speak. So today I'm going to go over how to trade meme coins on the BNB chain, everything you guys need to know in order to make some profit. Let's dive into it. Now, I'm sure we've noticed over the last few months, maybe almost a year, the meme season has been in Solana, but as we can see from this chart alone today, it is flowing back into BNB, and CZ is on board for all of it, pumping a ton of these bags. As we can see, the on-chain fees here approached 1.6 million in 24 hours. And we even have Frank D. Gods coming out and talking about it. And as we can see here, one of the top memes, the Four.meme, has reached over 250 million in only a few days. And if we talk about some of the other ones, as Giggle, we even have a CZ wife token that is at almost 16 million in less than a few hours. So let's dive into how you guys can start trading these tokens. So if you have zero crypto, I would suggest funding using your centralized exchange. Now, I myself could use Kraken, Coinbase, Binance, wherever you're located, and you will purchase some BNB inside your centralized exchange. Now, if you have crypto, but it's not on the BSC or the Binance chain, I suggest a couple different bridges. One that I use myself, and there will be a link down in the description, is changenow.io. You can basically take any crypto you have and send it into any other crypto you might want, like BNB, into the wallet of your choice. So there's a link down for that one. Or another one is called dBridge. So I suggest you guys go take a look if you're trying to bridge some crypto outside the BNB chain. Next, I would create a MetaMask account dedicated for the BNB chain and name it something like GMGN, where I am going to use to trade these meme tokens. So we will send it from our centralized exchange like Binance into our MetaMask and on the BNB network. And so this is where we can kind of hot wallet it into our trading platform. Now, the platform I use is GMGN, and I also have a link down in the description for you guys to join. It's very similar to BullX or Axiom or all the other creations on the Solana chain, but this one is for BNB specifically. I know you can switch up the chains, but here we are trading. So this is the platform we will choose to trade on, and where I will deposit some of my BNB from my MetaMask. This is where we can buy and sell. And just like the other platforms, you have a full portfolio where all the data will be shown. You can also invite other users to earn some commission and also track some of the wallets. Now, Solana had a ton of wallets for us to track, but you can also find some inside the dashboards here inside Discover. Maybe you're looking for some of the top trading wallets. I like to personally go after the wallets that trade the least amount of tokens but have the highest profit, because they know what they're doing and they're not just in and out in seconds like some of the other Solana traders we've seen before. Now, you can pull up trending, and this is where I find a lot of these tokens that have just gone insane, parabolic. Feels like we're back in a BNB season, but these are all coming out of the Four.meme. Now, this is like pump.fun, but this is the BNB equivalent. You're able to launch tokens and connect your wallet through this platform itself. You can try to spot runners here, but again, I don't like trading anything less than 1 million, or it is just gambling. So we can see all of the tokens that are way above that and the amount of transactions inside. Now, I've pulled up some of my tracked wallets here, and we can see in tracking, it's named under Cowboy. There's also a dev token, so we can see he's been going off today. Obviously, it's a hot day to creating new tokens, but this is the chart. You can pull it out multi-charts as well. It is definitely just as much features as Axiom and BullX. It just is on a different platform and takes a little bit of getting used to. Now, a few important things to note. BNB contracts and their mempool are very different than the Solana one, so you can get rugged a lot easier. This is why I suggest tokens with over $1 million market cap. But again, do your own research, your own due diligence before buying any of these. So you want to track these BNB meme coins and share some alpha. We'll make sure to join my Discord in the description below, where we are doing this daily. I hope you guys enjoyed this short overview. If you did, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and until next time, take care.